Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about Jamaica Tea Limited. That's ticker symbol JAMT, having a very good couple of quarters in their earnings per share and the profitability. They're coming out here with a big time advisory, exercise share option, and it's a whopping number of shares. A director here purchased 12 million shares or 12 million units pursuant to the company's long-term share option, and the deal here, or it was exercised on May 28, 2021. Now on to QWI Investments, updated unaudited net asset value. That's the NAV of the company. And talk about racing to the moon right here. As at May 28, 2021, it was Jamaican $1.31 per share. It's a big move up in the NAV. We've been carrying that on Business Live for a couple of months. The NAV is not necessarily the stock price or the market price on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, so just make sure you know the difference. Now, Proven Investments here, ticker symbol PIL, coming out with a dividend consideration. We carried this recently. Proven had postponed it, so now they're coming out with an advisory saying that it's back on and it was recently revised or postponed. Now, the board of directors of Proven say that they're going to be holding a meeting on June 16th, 2021 for a dividend consideration to pay to all the ordinary shareholders of the company. Now, Sagicor Select Funds, similar to QWI Investments, especially the financial index, really shooting the stock price there and also the NAV for that segment of the Sagicor Select Funds. What they're saying here is that the annual report and advisory, the 2020 annual report, is delayed. We've seen a couple of companies that have had this issue due to the pandemic or COVID-19. They go on to say for Sagicor Select Funds that it's due to the company's ability to coordinate the moving parts or to produce a report has really been impacted by COVID-19. Now, they anticipate to publish on or before middle of June, that's June 15th, 2021, and get this behind them, that's the 2020 annual report. Last up tonight, some earnings reports still coming into the marketplace here. We spoke about Lasco Manufacturing and a few others recently. Now, Lasco Distributors, not as strong as Lasco Manufacturing, but powering through the 2021 year end with profits up as much as 22%, folks. So big numbers here from Lasco Distributors. So amazing financial performance. That's the March 31st, 2021 year end and the audited financials. Net profits for the year end hit as much as 909 million Jamaican dollars. So close enough to $1 billion dollars. They'll get two companies there pumping out profits of $1 billion or more, but 909 million Jamaican dollars, still a big number. Earnings per share here, 25.9 cents per share versus 21.3 cents per share year over year. That's that 20% plus magic that we're talking about. Revenues topping 20 billion Jamaican dollars. Huge numbers, increasing to 20.2 billion Jamaican from 19.4 billion Jamaican year over year. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.